All of you, welcome back to yet another video. But before we start, I believe that you guys are having an amazing day. If not, don't need to worry about it. Everything will be good. So I got a lot of emails from many of you asking me that why I'm not putting videos very frequently, the way I was putting last to last month. The last month was very tough. I was involved in couple of projects, and due to that I was not getting time to make the recording. So I can see that you guys have sent me more than 90 to 80 emails, like 98 emails I can see I have. David have sent me all those emails right up here, and I can see that 50% of you have asked me that why I'm not putting videos. I know I made a lot of commitment regarding the a lot of playlists, like we're going to have a playlist on the advanced salty smart contract development, trading bot, and we're going to have a couple of projects. So definitely all those video will come on the channel. We are almost done in 70% in all the playlist. I'm just waiting to complete the entire playlist, then I should simply schedule or simply launch the entire playlist in one go so you can follow that. Some sort of problem in the project, like I can see the very minor problem. Some of you have installed the wrong version, and due to that your web3 provider is not working, and some of you have faced the error due to the undefined, because that's the very common problem you will face when you will start working with the DeFi space. When you're going to make a API request, or when you're going to pass any function data, it's going to sometimes trigger undefined. So I can see a lot of questions which you guys have asked me that I'm getting this error, how to solve it. It's very frustrating. I try to ask question over and over again, but no one is replying me. So I do understand that you have this issue, but don't worry about that. I'll try to respond to all the query which you guys have, because the last one was a little tight for me. I was involved in one or two projects, and due to that I was not getting time to make recording and to respond to all of these questions. So I believe that you guys can understand my situation, because I have a small team, and David's try to respond like all the queries which is in his caliber. Okay, if you're not able to respond, he just simply transfer to me, and I'll try to figure it out and to see the problem which you guys are facing. So that's the entire issue. I definitely, all this error which you guys have sent me, I'll try to make a recording so you guys can follow that. And those of you asked me that why I was not able to make the recording, two major project for the clients, and the one project which I was working for the last 7 months to launch as a course. So like last to last day I launched the course. I believe that you guys have watched the only intro part. I didn't explain that what are things you're going to build, but you can check the modules. So if I come back here, if I go to the blockchain coder, I want you to come and have a look that what are you exactly going to build, because this will teach you every single thing which you have to know about the web3 development. Although I'm going to make a dedicated video on this particular one, that why you should take this one, what are the modules you're going to learn, because this one is the complete project for a complete beginner. If you're a complete beginner, you don't know anything about the web3 development, then you can simply follow that, because we have built one of the powerful, you can call it one of the powerful project we have included into this course. We are building a multimedia NFT marketplace. It will have the feature of auctions, bidding, like chat communication, friend. It will have a charity, donation, transfer. User can simply buy the NFT using their native token. So we have tons of feature in that. So that was the one project which I was involved in, and I was involved in this particular clone. So this is the clone which I'm working on. We are done with the UI part. Now the main part is we have to work on the context management, on the data structure, because this is the UI part we have done. It's a kind of clone, you can call it, of a polyscan, and we are building for a specific blockchain where it's going to be like a block explorer, where the user can come and they can find all the details about the transaction which is happening on that particular blockchain. So this is one of the project which I'm building, and it took a lot of time because we have a lot of things going on in this. I'll try to make a dedicated video on this, that what are the things we have included, and we already have a project on our platform, like on the channel you can easily able to see, where we have built ether scan clone. It's going to be same, but it one is the advanced and real world project. So once I'm done with the project, definitely I'm going to make a recording and where I will explain that what we have included. So that's what I was involved in for the last 1 month. I'll try my best to upload the video very frequently on the channel so you guys can follow. And if you guys have any question, any doubt regarding anything, you can simply send an email. If it's urgent, you can send an email to this particular email ID, and I'll try to respond as soon as possible if you guys are facing any error. But before you send me the email, I want you to do two things. First, try to rewatch the video, the portion you are facing the error. Maybe the one common problem I have found in all of you guys, that you are making a slight mistake in the syntax, in the keyword, in the variables. and because of that you guys are getting that particular error. So the most common error I have found in the supply chain management, what I have noticed in that we have an object and we have to deconstruct their object, then we have to update and pass into the function. So that's the method I have utilized it, but you guys are not deconstructing it properly, and because of that you guys are getting undefined. I'll talk about that. I'm not going to want to extend this video, and we're going to talk about that specific error which you guys are facing in a separate video, where I will tell you all the entire logic, that why I have built the logic in such a way and why you have to keep that thing in mind before you pass any data into the function. So that's what I did in the last 1 month, that I was totally involved in the project, and soon is going to be completed. Like, it will take 10 days more, but the video will come very frequently. The video will come very frequently, so you guys can follow that. So if you guys have any question, any doubt, any problem, any query, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to respond to that. That's the only thing from my end. And thanks for all those support messages, all the question which you guys have asked me, and that's really means a lot to I'm ending this video. And if you're new to my channel, hit likes and subscribe, and if you haven't checked the playlist, we have a tons of project on our channel, so try to follow the project, and it will give you a very good idea if you really want to learn about the web3 development and what's going to be the future, what project you have to build, how you have to learn, what you have to learn. There's a tons of things which you can follow. So with that, I'm ending this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.